Peaceville! Meh, pretty standard.
But polite. It's nice to thank people.
I'd thank anyone who could open this impossibly hard to open snack food packaging.
How about thank you, Peaceville?
Now that was amazing!
Thank you, Corey.
If you really want to be original, why don't you rip off the typicals? No one was more original than them.
These guys were really underground. They did the opposite of what was popular. That's what made them popular.
Underground bands, eh? That's it! We'll be the most underground band ever by playing in the sewers.
This sewer's perfect for sewage band. 'Cause you stink! Bam! Bam, indeed.
Oh, yeah? Well, it's gonna be the gig of the century.
You couldn't make happen the gig of the century if you had like 50 years of centuries. But I can ruin that gig in one afternoon. Should I giggle too? How can you giggle if you don't even know what my plan is?
I don't know. This place is kind of gross. Even the cockroaches have bed bugs.
Yeah, bugs are cool like that. Hey! I know what to do right now besides stopping suddenly. Let's test the sewer's reverb.
Ready to twin activate?
I didn't know the Cutie Pie Makeup Factory produced so much toxic waste!
They can be as cutesy-palootsy as they want, as long as my nose isn't shiny.
Start dumping. What was that?
Duh! The sound of my brother's dreams being crushed.
Whoa, nice belch, Con.
Wasn't me. But man, if I could belch like that, I'd be so unstoppable.
Children of Peaceville.
They've tried!